This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with a wired connection because it's reliable and fast. Connect the Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter to your iPad, plug the Nikon USB cable into the camera, and attach it to the adapter. Power the camera and set its USB mode to PC remote or mass storage as required by your Tether app. This lets the app control transfers. Once done, open the Tether app on the iPad and grant any permissions. This is how the iPad recognizes images immediately and enables remote trigger functions. Now configure both camera and app to work together. In the Tether app, choose the Nikon device under Connected Cameras. Make sure the app is allowed to access photos and local storage. On the camera, lock exposure settings, AEL or manual, to prevent shifting during a sequence, and set image format, RAW or JPEG, based on workflow speed versus quality. Once connected, enable live view or remote shutter in the app. This gives you preview, focus control, and immediate file transfer. Make small test shots to confirm focus, exposure, and transfer reliability before a full shoot. If you prefer wireless, enable the camera's Wi-Fi and use the Nikon mobile app or a third-party Tether app to pair the camera and iPad over the camera's hotspot. Once connected, finalize settings, confirm image delivery path, set automatic import, and test a full resolution transfer. To finish the session safely, stop live view, disconnect in the app, then power off the camera before unplugging. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices, try a different cable or adapter, toggle the camera's USB mode, and if needed, switch to the alternate Tether app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.